Today I'm explain Excel. Excel, everyone how to. This is the data for Excel. Students' names. Everyone know the how to total on this. Normally, you can total on the any months or years. Anyone. What to do? First, you can click here is equal to. After give the sum. After you can select all this one and all this one. After you can click here rows wise and columns wise what to have the that one you can select it. See everyone how to normally selected here. Click shift 9 after you selected these all rows using of shift. Okay, after it can solve the sum. So now I'm giving to some trick for that. What is that? I'm trick given for you is very utilizing you. That is very that normally you can excel how to total is the not possible for so many members on here. So here how many members on here? Students are 20 students in this class. This is all total. So now you can use this one. Here also you can have the total in the downside green. Here also you can have the total. Now how to total for this? Using trick. You know keyboards commands. Alt is there, control is there, shift is there. Now we can use this total and take the shortcut key is called Alt. Using this Alt key to solve the total for all months and 20 students. You can using your mouse you can select all this up to here to the green color. Just click using of Alt key. Alt is equal to what you use. Alt is equal to select this all lines. After click Alt is equal to the total at a time in the 20 members in here downside and right side. This is the trick you can use and utilize this one. Excel shortcut keys and normal all keys, normal all formulas explained each and everyone in my channel. This is the Shakuntala Ure channel. Meet to next video. Thank you very much.